And now we want to take a look on the results, for example. So in this case here, we have this file. This is a TinyDB JSON file. So I'm importing TinyDB, and I'm reading this JSON file. There will be some tables there. I'm printing, then I'm converting this to a Pandas data frame. So we have the MUSHRA with no wave. We have the MUSHRA with loop 5. That this is what we did. In this case, I'm loading this MUSHRA no wave, but I could also load this one here. And then we have the configuration. This is my new test configuration file. There's the test ID, the date, some trials, the scores, and which stimulus it was. We had an anchor that we set, we had a reference, and you can analyze how you want using a Pandas data frame, or you can also query using TinyDB. And that's it. Here is the web page for the International Audio Laboratories Erlangen. So together with the FAO University, they developed this webMUSHRA and the pyMUSHRA. And here you find the links to everything, all the documentation, the Git repository, or you have access to the documentation for experimenters, for the users, how you can configure and personalize your tests. There is also some instructions about the pyMUSHRA. And this was a brief overview on how to design MUSHRA tests, and you have access to also to other types of listening tests. You can read the documentation and see everything what you can do using this webMUSHRA. And you can run in your local machine, or you can run remotely, and even inside a Google Colab notebook in this Google Colab environment. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I see you another time.